With spring finally here, I start craving pickles. And pink. Let's make pink pickles. My name is Willow, and this is You Need a Bento. Let's make lunch.
So today we're looking at a spring-themed pickle. The red of the radishes leaches into the water, as you can see here. This is half a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of vinegar, and 3/4 of a cup of water. And these are just the skins that were cleaned off of the radishes from making them the different shapes. I've got cherry blossom shapes, and I have another flower that I liked. But you'll see a lot of the skins are off, so you're going to get a lackluster kind of pink color. So that's why the skins went in here. Now I've brought the water and the sugar up to warm, just enough to melt the sugar, and then cool that down a little bit, and then put the vinegar in, because I have a parrot, I can't boil vinegar. In there as well is about a teaspoon of salt. If you don't like the pink color that comes out of mine, you can add red shiso leaf if you can find it. I don't have any, or like a pink dye will be fine as well, as long as it's food grade. So we're just gonna pour this stuff over top. And this is a super easy recipe. It keeps for usually about a month in the fridge, but do keep an eye on it because everybody's place is different. And don't worry too much about the fact that it's sitting up quite high. As the radishes release some of their water, they'll sit down a little bit and you can remove a little bit of the liquid as long as it's still covering the tops. Now with this, you're going to want to sit it on the counter for 2 to 4 hours. I usually just leave it on the counter until I remember it again when I come in to do dinner, and then put it in the fridge. But I do keep it covered.
I hope you try it out and see what you think. I'd love to hear all about it. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.